At Fishbowl, we've been working to develop a Microsoft Teams application that will allow users to search, upload, and work with files stored in WebCenter content directly through Teams. So that's what I will be demonstrating today, are a few of the features in that application. So at this point, you can stop sharing and I will share my screen to provide a brief demo. Okay, so for those of you familiar, I'm just logged into a Microsoft Teams team right now. And what we've done is we've added a couple of different things through our Teams application. The first I'm going to show you is what they call a messaging extension. So from the top menu bar, users are able to go to WebCenter and search for files that are stored inside of WebCenter. Those files can be, you can see the details, you can interact with them to some extent through the web viewable, content info. If you have the Office Online integration we have, you can view and edit those files in Office Online. It's also possible to copy these cards and use them in a chat conversation. So I'll switch, there's a WebCenter app that shows up if this is available in your organization. It provides chat, WebCenter files, and some other additional information. So if you search and find documents that are inside of WebCenter, you're able to copy those and paste those into the chat to share links with your team or with other people, or to just make notes to yourself or things like that through Teams. The other piece that we have is a WebCenter Files tab, and this allows users to search and navigate content, view content that's inside of WebCenter, upload new versions, upload and download files, interact with their workflows and things like that. So the initial display is just going to be a list of recent items. Users can navigate based on folder structures if you use the folders inside of WebCenter content. They can also navigate based on profile and search files within the different profiles, as well as workflow content. So my workflow items or any of the other active workflows that are available in the system. So I'll real quickly go through and upload a new document. So if I check this in, I can select files, and in this case, I can select them either from my local storage, or I'm actually going to select a couple of files from my OneDrive and upload those directly into WebCenter. We'll add those there. The interface allows you to vary your metadata based on the files. So if I put in demo document 1, I can upload the first document, and then I can switch that and then upload the second document. And then once those are uploaded, I'll refresh this and you can see they've actually gone into my workflow queue. We have the ability to view and edit in Office Online very simply just by clicking the icon. You can edit, make changes to those documents right through the browser very easily. Once the versions have been approved, we can select whatever items. We allow you to do multiple approvals and rejections. So if you wanted to reject, you can enter messages or do multiple approvals, and those documents then will be released. We also allow you to download multiple versions of the file or multiple files at one time. You can select which rendition you want. If you want to zip the files before you download them. So it's easy to get files out of WebCenter if you want to move them around or share them through Teams that way. You can do that. Similarly, we let you delete multiple files and things like that. If you want to delete versions. Again, you can update metadata, view previous revisions, all of those kind of things. So really allowing you to interact with any of the content that you have inside of WebCenter right from within the Teams UI.